In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with ClickUp. By the end, your tasks and events will stay in sync, helping you plan your day without jumping between tools. Start by opening ClickUp and heading into your workspace. Make sure you're in the workspace where you actually manage your tasks, since integrations are enabled per workspace. If you have multiple spaces or teams, double-check the workspace name at the top so you connect the right one. Once you're in your workspace, look for the More menu, the icon that looks like 9 small dots. It may appear near your sidebar or the top of the interface, depending on your layout. Click that and then choose Apps. Apps is where ClickUp keeps all the native integrations and add-ons you can connect, so it's the right place to go whenever you want to plug ClickUp into another tool. Inside Apps, you'll see a library of integrations. Use the search bar to save time. Click into the search field and type Google Calendar, or simply type Calendar and look for the Google Calendar option in the results. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit. Sometimes the list is long, and using the search bar is the quickest way to find what you need. When you see Google Calendar, click it to open the integration details. This page typically gives you a quick overview of what the integration does and any keynotes. Make sure you're selecting Google Calendar, not a different calendar provider, so the connection behaves as expected. Next, click Connect. A Google sign-in or permissions window may pop up. Choose the Google account that holds the calendar you want to use and review the permissions requested. These permissions allow ClickUp to create, view, and update events, so your tasks and calendar stay aligned. Confirm to proceed. If your browser blocks pop-ups, enable them temporarily for this step and try again. After you connect, give it a moment for the initial link to establish. Depending on your workspace size and internet speed, the first sync can take a little time. Once it's done, your ClickUp tasks that have dates can appear on your Google Calendar, and events from Google Calendar can reflect in ClickUp depending on your integration settings. If something doesn't appear immediately, refresh your view and check that you're looking at the correct calendar. You can always return to the Apps section later to manage or review the connection if needed. That's it. You've connected Google Calendar with ClickUp, making it much easier to plan, schedule, and keep your day in sync across both tools.